to make pancakes. So first what you're going to need is a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, a cup of milk, a beaten egg, and 2 tablespoons of oil. First, what you're going to pour in is your cup of all-purpose flour. Next, you're going to pour in your 2 tablespoons of sugar. You are going to pour in your 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Next, you're going to get your teaspoon of salt. Blend it all together and make a well in the center. Next, pour in a cup of milk, a beaten egg, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Together. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to make maple syrup. Okay, so what you're going to need is a half cup of water. I already have it in my bowl. Now we are going to pour in our half cup of sugar. Now we are going to pour in our brown sugar. Now you are going to do your 1/4 of vanilla extract. And also do a pinch of salt. And now you are going to stir it. Now you are going to put it in the microwave for about 50 seconds. Okay, now we wait. so there you go. I'm going to stir it one more time. And this is how it looks like now. Okay, so now we are going to pour. You can pour like either like maybe 1 cup, 3 cups, 2 cups. It just depends on how many cups you want. Okay, we're gonna just let this go for a side and just cook there. So you can make it big or small, like either one. I'm just going to use 1 cup for now, and maybe the next one I might use 2 cups. Okay, so we're going to wait a bit. Ready. Make sure it's a nice. Oh, great. I'm probably gonna get this part again. Probably. Okay, I'm gonna just put that aside and I'm gonna add another pancake in. I'm gonna make another one. This time I'm gonna make it with 2 cups. Okay guys, now it is time to try the pancakes. The moment I have been waiting for. Okay, we're gonna get 2 pancakes and we're gonna pour the maple syrup on it. Oh, more. Let's taste it now. Time for the big reveal. Will it be a success? Oh my god, so good. It's so good. Okay guys, it's the end of the video now. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit those notifications so you never miss a single video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!